What's good, YouTube? It's your boy T-Bands, and we here with another banger. Today, we got the gun range. Right now, we just looking at stuff, waiting for my manager to get here. I'm with Jaso. I'm with Sai. Got KP in the back. Today about to be fun. I ain't been in a gun range in like a month or two. I'm just looking at these right now, bro.
I've never been to a gun range. My gun range is my block.
You be shooting your block up?
Mm-hmm.
That's crazy, bro. This showing nice.
What's going on, guys?
How you doing?
Just so you know, no videography here.
We about to get right. On God.
Do they got tapped? Because I'm definitely hungry.
I don't think that one got tapped, brother.
My shooting arm's gonna be off. I'm a little hungry. You feel me?
So you only can shoot right if you full.
Yeah.
What if you in line, waiting for your food, starving, but somebody is like right there trying to smoke you?
Well, then I'm just saying I'm probably gonna, like, if I shot 8 times, I'm missing like 5. But then I'm gonna make sure I hit him with 3. I'm just saying my shooting gonna be a little off. That's it.
Oh, we can go ahead and send it to you.
This guy's getting killed. So what's gonna happen with you? So
We got the gang
if
right
you
here.
unlock-
We got the gang right here.
Bro, I don't care about that. I care about mine.
I don't care about yours.
Alright. So then I ain't even gonna ask you a question no more.
Yeah,
Y'all about to see. Y'all about to see. It's a competition between us all the time. He might be the worst shooter because he's hungry.
No. Remember back to bowling.
Bro, in bowling, I cooked them.
It's your boy Young Simon. You coming scared?
Alright, bro, that's enough. Stay tuned. We about to walk in. Oh, these two right here. Alright, y'all, we gonna pretend this Jaso, and then we gonna pretend this one is Sai, and this my mom. I'm gonna smoke you, bro. Why you got my mom, bro? See, that's your problem.
I can't really hear nothing. I'm not gonna lie.
My bad. My bad. My bad. My bad.
I'm about to say,
This is what we use.
y'all want to start over?
This is what we use it.
Bro. What are you doing, bro?
That's a cool distance, bro.
That's too close.
That's too close.
Look how far she got it. We can tell you don't have no aim.
Hey, how you move it back?
He doesn't really want to.
I got y'all everything, bro.
Did yours have a pass or not?
Why was T finna shoot a whole 100 ball right now? T, why was you ready to shoot a whole 100 ball? You was ready to shoot.
Y'all trying to put money on it?
Put money on what?
On what?
Oh, you put money on something and then you lose. You still owe me $5 from the other day. He owe me $5.
But it was one time.
She about to let that bitch go. We got the same gun. Like, I ain't even worried about it for real. Like,
They ain't got no shit gun.
bro, you don't. Why are you talking to me? Why are you talking to me? Why are you talking to me? You know, I know I got no shit gun. You know what I'm
You not hitting nothing. Bro, did he injure her?
I missed it one time. And he ate me.
Okay.
Stop playing with me, bro.
Hey, you gotta hit the person that's with the knife. You feel me?
I got it.
Not the person that's getting held against her own will.
They hand on me because I got a headshot.
Hey.
2 bullets.
Ooh. He's shooting a big one over there.
Y'all, boy.
back over here.
Make sure you know. Fella.
Hold me right.
No, I shot this bitch.
He really be walking for real.
I ain't gonna lie. I was on
Still walking down.
Let
me see, bro.
Really,
Is he Mr. Walk him down?
Playing with me, bro.
They go like that's tough. That's tough.
What you gonna do? Cause you done shot her the fuck up.
Right.
You ain't even got no gun. He got hell of shit. He ain't got no gun over there.
I'm finna.
I want to see how the shooting goes.
Get down.
What's that gun noise you just made? I'll talk to y'all when Jaso starts shooting. I want to see your hand.
Full clip.
Full clip is crazy.
Wait, how many is there?
Give him 6 shots, bro.
Yeah, I was like, I'll shoot a little quick little 7.
Little 7 shots.
I was thinking it had like, you feel me, like a little 8 bop. Am I shooting on
Bro, put the gun down. Put the gun down. Put the gun down towards the ground. He walking towards you like this.
No, if somebody was actually in here, they would have said something about that.
You about to blow his ass.
Hold on, wait.
Bro, why'd you put the... Fuck you think you a sniper? Nigga think he a sharpshooter.
Me? I didn't do
No,
it.
not you, bro. Why are you so defensive? Relax. Shit. Did you just kill her?
She let them look.
Bro, y'all are killing the fuck out of her.
I can't shoot.
He said, I can't.
I cannot shoot. I'm not gonna lie. None of them bullets was going where I was aiming at.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to shoot that AR right now.
Let me see. The headshot was mine though. This was me. Did I
Probably
hit the
did
top?
hit her. I hit her right here.
You did, bro.
Yeah, right here. Fuck that bitch. Why are you in that situation anyway? Why you expect me to help you? I'm not helping you.
I won't lie to y'all.
Bro, this is close as a... No, go ahead. Go ahead, shoot. Nah, you good. Don't even worry about it.
That motherfucker got some recoil to it.
Is that better?
I just keep
Nigga, that's far as... Go ahead, bro. Just shoot, bro. Just literally just shoot. Just shoot. It's you. It's you, bro.
Just shoot. You're not no real shooter for real. We knew it. It's not for all of us, cuz. You see me, I'm holding 2.
Scared as hell.
Your body finna floor. Look at his arm twitch. Yeah, you scared.
Fucking
bro.
shoulder ready to pop out your... Why you holding it like...
Put it there. All of it loaded.
There's 2 in there.
There's only 2?
It's not a lot of bullets left.
Freeze! Hey! I don't want to do it. That did not hit him at all. I said freeze! And I was like, yeah, YouTube, I don't know if y'all can tell, but I like guns. My childhood, they ruined it for me. I'm being so serious, cuz. They ruined it. Okay. Tell them freeze first.
Nah, I'm a dragon. Kicking like that.
Yes, that's why I said that.
This
It's
one was not
working.
just kicking like that.
It's working too.
And all,
And all,
we kind of can shoot just a little bit of airball in that nigga.
I'm not gonna lie, that's definitely all me. I'll take credit for all that. Hey, at least, hey, y'all was going for that head though. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Y'all wasn't going for no body shots, so you feel me? It is a little harder. How you feel about your performance?
Oh, I did well.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. T-Lo can shoot that thing. I ain't gonna lie.
Actually, this one,
them
this
two right
one was
there,
mine.
and then he also started off. No, T started off banging his head.
Bro, I
right here.
started already banging his head, his neck.
already knowing, but
He's
this one's
already,
mine.
he's
I gotta
already
play
dead.
the headshot.
You're just overkilling him. He's already dead.
Hey, where the other paper at? I ain't gonna lie. Hey,
Nah.
don't worry about it.
They
That's
know,
not our
they
fault.
know this me.
Right.
Yeah,
we
yeah,
got
yeah.
the kill first. But I mean, we saved her though. Trust me, she'll live. Trust. I'm pretty sure her heart's on the other side.
Alright, y'all. That's the end of the video. It was just a little quick bit. Go to the gun range and show them what it really was. He was airballing. He was severely airballing. Nah, he was cool. He was cool. But this man, we gotta work on that. We gotta be in that bitch from 12 to 4 every day. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn them post notifications on. We about to get this page. We about to get my channel going. Oh God, we about to get this channel going. Make sure y'all just tune in for the next vid.